Hi there and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture we are going to talk about how to use a branded domain name and how to add it to your Shopify store. It's very important to have a branded domain name because it's very important to have a store that looks professional. These small details, like having a branded domain name, like having a business location, a business phone number, like having well-organized social media profiles. These small things, although they are small, but they give the impression that your brand is a trustworthy brand, that it's a professional brand. So I highly recommend you to go with all the things that will make your store professional. And whenever you are hesitating whether you should be doing something or not, I always recommend you to go to big brands in your niche or in other niches and see what they are doing and learn from them. So having a branded domain name, having a branded email address is a part of being and looking professional. So in order to add your domain name, either you choose to buy it from outside of Shopify, from websites like NameZero, for example, or you decide to buy it directly from Shopify. You go in here to online store, you go to domains, and in here you click on buy new domain. When you are starting an e-commerce store, it's very important while you are picking the name of your store, it's very important to make sure that the name you are choosing is available. You have to make sure that the domain name associated with your business name is available. Because if it's not available, it means that you can't name your website with your business name, which is something very bad because people will be going to Google and they will be typing your brand name in order to find you. So imagine if your website has a different name than your brand name. So it's very important whenever you want to name your business, it's very important to make sure that the domain name of your business is available and especially that the .com name is available. Okay? Let's say it is available and let's say you want to buy it. You click in here on buy new domain. You write your domain name. Let's say it's knitting and needles. And I'm going to see if it is available. It seems that the name is available and I can buy it. So I click in here, I buy the domain name and I associate it with my store. When you buy a domain name directly from Shopify, linking it is very easy because you just have to follow the steps and it will be linked. I'm not going to buy the domain because I don't want to buy it, but this is how you do it. You go in here, domains, you buy your domain name and you add it. Now let's say, for example, you don't want to buy a domain name, you want to add a new domain that you have. So you click in here on connect existing domain. Let's say you are moving from another domain, you put your domain name and you click on next and you connect your domain with this Shopify account. Okay, so this is extremely important to look professional and it's extremely important for your business. Connecting your domain name to your Shopify depends on your original host because I'm not sure from where you have already bought your domain, but it depends on your original host. In the second lecture, I'm going to show you how you can buy your domain from NameZero and how you can associate it with your Shopify account. However, if you are using a different host than NameZero, you can follow the procedure. It's very easy and you connect your domain to your Shopify store. So this is it for this lecture. In the next lecture, we are going to start seriously by building your store by talking about collections, how to create them, how to manage them, and everything related to them. So stay tuned and let's meet there.